In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the email notification sound not working in Outlook on Windows 11. Whether you're missing important emails because your notification sound isn't playing, or you just want to ensure you're always in the loop, I'm here to help you get it sorted, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Outlook. You can easily do this by locating the Outlook app icon in your Start menu, or by searching for it directly if it's more convenient for you. Once you've opened Outlook, shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a sign in option. Go ahead and click it. Now you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you get these details right to avoid any login issues. After you've signed in successfully, you'll notice the interface has adapted to display your emails and account information. Our next port of call is the settings option, which you can find by again looking in the top right corner for a small gear icon. Clicking this gear icon opens up a range of settings options. From the list, select General. You can do this by scrolling through the options displayed to you. Once inside the general settings, you're going to want to find and click on Notifications. This section specifically deals with the alerts you get, ensuring you don't miss a beat when it comes to staying updated. When you're in the notification settings, look over your current notification settings. You want to ensure that all notification options for your email are turned on. Sometimes glitches or updates can switch these off without you even knowing. If you find any of these toggled off, simply turn them on. Now remember, once you've made these changes, you must confirm them. To do this, navigate to the bottom of the window and look for the Save button. Giving it a click will ensure that all your settings are properly adjusted and set to the specifications you've chosen. It might seem small, but without this step, you risk reverting back to the default settings and missing those important alerts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've ensured that your notification sound should now play reliably whenever you receive an email. If your problem persists, it might be a good idea to consult further settings related to your device's sound or additional Outlook support. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please feel free to like, share, or leave any comments with questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Until next time, take care and stay notified.